I'm very happy to be with all of you. You know, kasi parang 3 beses pa lang ako naka-attend. And most of you, ngayon ko lang nakita. Okay, ladies, baka hindi kayo maniwala sa sasabihin ko, pero dapat maniwala kayo. You know what? Mula nung grade 1, ako ay masipunin. So, all my life, until I discovered what to do, I was very sickly. Ang aking listahan ng mga gamot, mahaba. Sa dentistry, kaya ako natigil ng pagiging dentista dahil sa hika. Sinabihan ako ng doktor, Myla, are you a dentist? Yes. Stop being one. Doc, mahal ng puhunan. No, but you will die young. You will die young. Okay? So talagang ang dami. May hika, may may hika, may high blood. When I was in my 40s, may vertigo, may migraine, and what else? May hyperacidity. Pero ladies, makinig kayo. And gentlemen, makinig kayo. Please listen to me. Alam niyo ba na merong tinatawag na food as medicine and good news? Hoy, lahat kayo makinig. Meron akong good news for all of you. That health can be regained. Now I am healthier, siguro 80 times healthier than I was when I was 30. Noon, halos talagang akala ko maaga ako mamamatay. Pero ngayon, tingin ko mabubuhay ako hanggang 100. Okay, ganito lang yan. Hindi mahirap ang ginawa ko. Promise, hindi mahirap. So, ganito ha. Just healthy habits. There are 5 pillars of health. Ano yon? Siyempre, nutrients. And part of that is also hydration. Number 2, sleep. Ano pa? Movement, and mental health, socialization, stress management, socialization. Mga kapatid, yung nutrients, huwag kayong mag-alala sa kinain nyo. Sinabihan ako ni Let, bukas pa raw kayo mag-uumpisa ng healthy. Hindi naman masama yung pagkain nyo eh. Sino magsasabi dito na masama yung kinain nyo? Taas ang kamay. Sino magsasabi dito na unhealthy yung kinain nyo? Taas ang kamay. Oy, bakit walang nagtataas ng kamay? Okay, sino dito magsasabi na yung kinain nyo, okay lang? Wala rin. Ano ba to? Hoy, makinig naman kayo. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, huwag kayong mag-alala sa kinain nyo because it's not really what food you're eating as long as they are not processed. Ano yung processed? Yung mga, sorry ha, pero yung mga hotdog, corned beef, yung mapupulang yan, yung mga dilata, itigilan na yan. At talagang malabo yan. Pero yung mga pagkain na yan, okay lang yan. As long as we take care of the portions. Hindi sobrang dami. Oh, that's number 1, ha? Dagdagan nyo lang ng leafy greens and colored vegetables ang plato nyo, okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, bibigyan ko kayo ng goal. Bibigyan ko kayo ng goal. Yoo-hoo! Can I give you a goal? Add a bit more of greens and colored vegetables to your plates. Okay ba? Konting dagdag lang, maski 2 kutsara every day. Every meal. Ayun. Every meal, every day. Tapos number 2, hydration. Alam niyo ba kung ilang basong tubig sa maghapon? Sa Pilipinas, 12. Warm water. Mababawasan ang inyong malapot na dugo at saka ang inyong blood sugar. So, 2 warm water first thing in the morning paggising and then the rest every hour hanggang gabi. Warm water. Okay? Next, movement. Sino dito nag-exercise? Taas ang kamay. Sino nag-exercise? Taas ang kamay. At sino ang hindi nag-exercise? Taas ang kamay. At sino hindi gumagalaw? Taas ang kamay. Lahat kayo gumagalaw. Okay, good. Kasi you don't need to exercise talaga na paparusa mo yung katawan mo. You just need to move. After eating, can I tell you what to do? Ganyan-ganyan ninyo yung mga paa nyo. Diyan sa mga yan habang nakaupo kayo and you will be starting to burn the calories that you ate, that you took. Huwag kayong mag-alala because to be healthy does not mean you have to exert so much effort. Okay? Small changes every day. Okay, next. Sino dito ang natutulog? Yoo-hoo! Sino dito ang nakakatulog pa ng 7 hours? 7 hours straight. For our age, 7 to 9 hours pa rin ang required sleep. Etong gusto nyo marinig to. Please, listen to this. Listen to this, okay? Sa gabi, nagdi-detoxify ang ating brain, ang ating liver, and then the different organs. And it happens, this detoxification happens during deep sleep. Okay? So, para hindi tayo magka-Alzheimer, dapat tulog na tayo by 11 p.m. up to 3 a.m. Diyan talaga nililinis ang brain and liver. Okay? Ngayon, yung mga problema sa tulog, may problema sa pagkain, just consult me kasi nutrition coach and health coach ako, pati sleep, ina-advise ko rin ng sleep. Ano pa? Socialization, emotional health, importante sa ating lahat yan. So, kailangan natin talaga ng friends and family. Yung family natin, mahalin natin silang lahat, no? They should be meaningful. Our relationship should be meaningful with our family members and with our friends. So, socialization and emotional health, stress management. Sino dito marunong mag-deep breathing? Deep breathing. Hindi nila alam pa paano yung deep breathing. Dito yon. Hindi. Bawal. Huwag nang pataasin ng ito. Then dito. You have to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Don't raise your shoulder. It has to be your diaphragm mag-expand. You do it gently, matagal ang exhale, longer exhale than inhale. That will relax you. Tsaka yan ang makakatulong talaga. Okay? So actually, kaunti lang naman yung aking message. Bakit ko ba sinabi to? Kasi ayoko naman na itong event na to, ang pag-uusapan lang natin sa bahay, ay ang sarap ng pagkain, ay ang ganda ng place, ay ang gagaling yung classmates ko, salamat nakita ko sila. Tapos wala na tayong take away for our 60th year. By the way, ang 60, that's the time when so much changes happen in the body. Kaya dapat, umpisa na natin, i-prepare yung sarili natin para sa changes na yon. Okay? And those who have reached 60 already, yung nag-celebrate na, may senior card na, sana naman hindi Mercury ang makinabang ng senior card nyo. Kasi walang ginawa ko, hindi bumili na mahabang listahan ng gamot. So, there's still time and you can still recover. You know, even at 60, you can regain health. Ask me na lang, i-PM nyo lang ako o kaya i-follow nyo ako sa Facebook. My page is Doc Chef Myla on Facebook or my name, Maria Carmela Angelo. So yun, just call me if you need help and I'm very willing to help you, give you some tips or coach you if you want coaching. Okay, God bless everyone and I'm really praying for good health for each one of us. Ay, may YouTube channel ako, lalagyan ko pa ng video kasi hindi ako marunong mag-edit. Hindi pa ako ganong sanay mag-edit eh. Huwag kayong mag-alala.
Yan, i-follow nyo si Myla sa YouTube. Paudaan naman. Papadaan. Okay. So, deep breathing daw ah. Huminga kayo ng malalim. Baka malimutan yung mag-exhale. Okay. Okay, exchange gift na tayo. Pakilabas na po yung mga gifts ninyo. Yung mga exchange gifts ninyo na nandyan sa inyo. May pupunutin, nandito yung names. Nasaan nga yun? So, bubunot ka kung sino yung
Rochelle Cristobal.
Kasabay na rin nung pag-exchange gift, bibigay yung umbrella, keychain, and 560 pesos. Oh, galing yan sa mga classmates natin na nagbigay. Na lahat tayo winner. 560 pesos hindi dollars. Ay, wait. Kung nanalo na kayo dun sa 860, 1,060, 1,260,
Ganda mo naman ang bag. Okay.
Johnny, yung aliso. Ay, nanalo ka ba kanina?
Hindi. Siyempre, ay, pinalo pa ang 60 tayo. Ayong, ni Emma. Oh, mag-picture kayo muna ng dalawa dyan. Ngayon lang mo ngayon. O yan, marami pong salamat. Sa alaala. Emma yan. Kaya ko to. Sino ka lang. Dalhin mo ng iyong... Meron. Bunot. Wala talaga. Kabuyang-biyang. Gusto mo nandalin ko? O wala ka? Whip. Tayo sa gitna. Ay, na ito ka sa tayo. Leia Yoshisaki. Oh, picture. Winnie Mariano. Winnie Mariano. Ganda tayo. Next. Imelda Crisostomo. Picture
Santiago. Pearly Humacchio. Oh, laki ah. Nanalo yan kanina ng 1,000. Okay. Oh. Yabar. Eh, tapos na. Lagi. Ano ba yan? Army bomb ba yan? Cherry Basihan. Chingo, come here. Oh, BTS. Nanalo ka kanina, 1,000. Nanalo daw, nanalo.
Rose Leoncio.
Rosana. Hindi ko makakita. Edith Buendia. Edith. So much. Rose, Attorney Rose. Gatchalian.
Buhay na.
Pwede ka na mag-asawa, Box. Kailangan ka ng rice cooker.
Sulit, nalo ka ba kanina? Hindi, wow. Ay, ang payong.
Payong niya to.
Yes.
Oh, bunot ulit. Hindi, yung ano, yung bunot. Tapos, ng 1,000. Parang hindi. Kay Jocelyn. Gigi Paez. Tayo. Rosie Samonte. O, next, sino na? Alan Luna. Alan Luna. Alan. O, bilis ang dami na yun. Tayo. Alan tayo. O, next. O, bunot, Alan. O, bibigay mo sa kanya yung gift mo. Next, Ted Bunuran. Ted Bunuran. Teddy. Here pa. Nagpe-paint again.
Si Imelda, introduce. Ngayon lang uli namin nakita si Imelda. She's a very good painter. Please check her FB page. Ganda ng paintings niya. Are you selling? Nagbebenta ka ng painting? Kung magpapagawa kayo, she's more on portraits. Masa ka pa. Check her page. Ang galing. Ang galing-galing. Magpapanyo.
Picture lang muna.
kayong mga anak. Dr. Joe is here. Pero utang na loob, huwag na sana. Yung mga anak niyo na lang.
Ay, bumalik na yung logo? King!
King. Triangle. Triangulo. Si Noreen. Noreen. Noreen Katipunan. Gucci. Ranyola. Gucci.
Gucci!
Si Madam Gucci, ano kaya ang gift?
Gucci, kurutin mo yung pangalan ko.
Madam, ano yan? Juliana Santiago. Juliana.
Julie!
Si Julie. Juliana. Edita Mariano.
Edita Mariano. Nasaan? Edith Mariano. Cecil Borlongan. Ronald Caluwag. Yoli, nanalo ka daw. Yan. Nanalo. Clarissa Gonzalez. Marilu Ruiz.
Jojo. Si Jojo na to. Jojo. Jojo Puerte. Diyan ka lang. Hindi, wala na. Yan na. Una, diba? Sa pag-Jojo. Yeah, you came from her. Jojo, balik na.
Okay na. Tapos na.
girls, lahat ba may envelope? Lahat? Envelope. Brown envelope. Nakakuha lahat?
Grabing blessings ang dumating sa atin ngayong gabi. Kaya wait, there's more. A-announce natin kung ano pa yung mga raffle prizes. So, ano to ha? Clean slate uli tayong lahat. Meaning, pwede tayo uling manalo. So, yung nanalo na kanina na 12 na grand prizes, tapos yung tig 560, so wala lahat uli yon. Itong next na raffle, back to zero. So meaning, pwede uli tayong lahat manalo. Okay? Uy, wag na ikaw, baka matabas ka. Jo, wag na. Doon sa harap. Thank you. Sa kanya galing to eh. Tama?
Ito ba yun?
So, alin yung una mong pamigay? Gusto.
Kasama to?
Okay, yung number nyo, yung nandun sa name.
Oh, sa letrang B.
Ano ba to? 81?
Nagge. Number 18. Number 36.
Number 36. 36. Tingnan nyo yung name nyo. May number. 36. Nasaan yung listahan natin? Di ba may listahan? 36. Ay, wait. Si Shoni pala yun. Si Shoni. 36.
Ito, sweet 16.
16.
16 daw. 1-6. Sino yung 16? Dr. Joe Abuel, umuwi na.
Doble dos. 22.
22. Then, si Leia. Leia.
Number 5.
Marisa Gonzalez. Sa letter B. Oo, kanina pa no?
Forty-seven. 47.
47. Pearly.
Pearly. Doc Pearly. Pearly.
Doc Pearly.
Ayun. Hindi ka?
38.
38, 38,
Vivian.
Vivian. Thank you.
O, kanta muna. Walang raffle, walang kanta. Kanta muna.
Thank you, Leia. Next, tawagin natin si Jojo and Teddy. Para pamigay niyo yung gift, yung bigay niyo.
Ito ulit, Jojo.
Jojo and Teddy, kayo yung magdodraw ng winners. Okay, yung next natin na winners, 5 winners na tigti 300 GCs each from Starbucks. Okay?
Number 20.
Teddy. Si John na lang daw.
Tere,
Ay,
Carpio.
umuwi. Tere, Carpio umuwi na. O, raffle ulit.
Raffle ulit. Walk ulit. Oh, 39.
39. Solicitor.
Solicitor General.
Solicitor General Berberabe.
Mamaya, paparapan natin ulit. Mamaya, abangan mo. And 31.
31. Si Mara.
Okay na. Sabi mo. Alis, binili sa akin lahat. 7.
Number 7.
Edita,
Edita
Mariano.
Mariano. So baka mamaya magkita-kita kayo sa Starbucks. Gamitin nyo na yung mga GCs nyo. Ay,
5-4. Ted.
siya nagbigay eh.
O, balik. Ulit.
Siya nagbigay, so hindi siya kasali.
Bonus.
Ang gitna.
Alma Gatchalian.
Alma, Gatchalian.
May
Calm
karangalan.
down.
Number 43. Clara Santos.
Ito, 300 ko na card. Hello. Isa, 300 pa. Card yan.
48. Number 48.
Okay. Ako? Ay, baka ako. Ay, hindi nanalo na ako eh. Nanalo na ba ako? Wait. Yung susunod natin, gift certificate from Uniqlo, 1,000 pesos. Galing kay Celine. Kasi wala si Celine ngayon, so iniwan lang niya. 1,000 worth na GC from Uniqlo. Ako daw yung mananalo. Thank you.
Number 26.
Ah! di ba? Ito muna. Hindi na. 350 kasi topic sa 500. Okay.
Lagyan mo ng 10 pesos.
Wait lang. Wala.
Lagay na. Tama na.
Okay, may cash prizes pa tayo.
Okay.
Kasi dapat sa games to, kaya lang, sabi, i-raffle na lang daw natin. So yung first na cash prize, 350. Nagkulang ng 10 para maging 360. Paluwalan nyo na lang yung 10. Pero 350 to.
Number 4. Cherry.
Number 4.
Picture. Picture pa rin. Yes.
Okay. Tapos, yung susunod, ilan to, Dave? 8 winners na tig pa 500 pesos. O, di ba? 500 pesos each.
Okay, number 6. Proxy.
Prosi!
B1.
Wow, sino yon? Unang-una.
Si Beng. Beng.
Beng!
Beng, beng, beng. 10% Beng. Tax.
Okay, next.
Thirty.
Myla! Thank you. Next.
G, 55.
Bingo!
Elenita. Dapat pag late may tax, 10%.
Mamaya paglabas nila,
Kasi na may tax,
may magko-collect pa. Thank you.
Mga mo, lahat na nakatakip pa. Alisa ko nakatakip. Nakatakip yung dyan sa papel. Ay! 17.
17.
17.
Governor!
Gob!
Oy, Governor!
Oy, Gob! Dumadagdag ka na naman, Gob.
Nanalo ka na naman!
Nanalo ka na naman. Parang ayaw mo ah. Ayaw mo na? Ayaw mo na.
Grabe! Maging wagi! Winner na winner ka.
Ay! 29.
Imelda de Rojas.
Dalawa na lang.
Dalawa na lang.
Alam ba yung letter? Letter B.
B.
2.
B2. Sino yung maaga dito?
Wala, hindi na napapagkita ng pangalan.
Sino?
Sino ang 2? Sure?
Oo nga, number 2.
Solicitor General, pakicheck kung totoo.
And last but not the least, tawagin mo naman ako.
B. Sa letter B. 12.
May nanalo na. May nanalo na.
Oy, 10% tax.
Okay. Salamat sa mga nag-donate. Anak. Mamaya na. Picture muna daw tayo lahat dito. Lahat daw sa harap.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Do you remember love was changing the minds of pretenders while chasing the clouds away?
Our hearts were ringing in the key that our souls were singing as we danced in the night. Remember how the stars stole the night away.
Bring the 80s back. 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 3, 2, 1. Magsama-sama sa ligaya, magsayawan hanggang mag-umaga. Di na
Marks ni Asuncion Salvador. Talagang Asuncion Salvador. Valedictorian natin. Si Asuncion.
Friendship. Cheers to more privileges, tax, free VAT, and 20% discount sa restaurants. Priority lane sa airports, sa lahat ng queues. Diba? Mukha ba tayong 60? No! I refuse to say so. Hindi, kung ikaw. Para lang naman tayong 59. Diba? Okay, as we end the night, I just want to say thank you to everyone who came and made the effort to be here. Thank you to those who organized tonight and to everyone who helped it make it happen. Kita nyo naman, ang ating setup, di ba? Mukhang pang-grand, mukhang pang-getting Madrid, Philippines. Pasado ba, Kuchi? Where's Kuchi? Where's Kuchi? Pasado ba ang ating decor and all? Oh, I'd like to thank, first of all, special thanks to Ana Gese. Please give her a word. Ana! Yes. Hey. And then, sa anak ni Ana, si Lance, at sa daughter-in-law na si Faye. Please come here. Come. Thank you so much. On behalf of IAM Batch 7983, we are so grateful for your generosity. May God bless you more, your business, your family, so you can continue to be a blessing to others. We thank you. We have something for you. Please come over. Come. Ayan, bigay na lang natin. This is a small token for the free use of this venue. Queen's Events Place, if you have any parties, please contact, of course, Ana. Thank you so much. Thank you. May God bless you more. Picture. Thank you. Mention ko lang uli, si Ana, she spearheaded our Life Begins at 40, Fabulous at 50, and then now, Let's Party at 60. I don't know what's it. At 70, huwag nating hintayin mag-70 kasi baka hindi na tayo makasayaw, hindi na makakanta. So let's see each other more often. Sometimes kung hindi ako buti we have Ana because I've been very busy lately. So hindi ko ma-organize, pero yan si Ana, pag tawag niya sa lahat, ang bilis ng mga nagpalista. Thank you. Mga tumulong kay Ana, of course, thank you kay Tere who left na, but there's Let Rafaelita de la Cruz. Where's Rafaelita? Our host. Sa kanya rin yung mga pumasok na fans from our classmates, and siya yung nag-ayos niyan, siya yung nag-prepare ng mga prizes natin. Jobs, yung mga songers natin. I didn't know na may songers pala tayo dito. Kaya songers, nagpipilit, thank you so much. This group ang kumanta, si Christy Matias, thank you also for mga kakanin, Suman, si Gigi, kumanta rin si Gigi, si Rose, si Ami, si Jab, si Gigi, sino pa? Si Mara. And for the games, si Jabs and Mara, and Ani. Okay, at this point, I'd like to thank our major sponsors. Of course, kung meron tayong reunion, tawag namin ni Jojo. Jo, anong tawag dito sa couple na to? Our homecoming, King and Queen. Thank you, Kochi. Kochi and Peter. Si Kochi sponsored our food carts and the lechon. courtesy of Peter. Where's Peter? Peter! Thank you! There, Peter! Thank you so much! Of course, wala na sila Ellen, no? Hindi na tayo naka-stream. Si Ellen organized our classmates abroad. Talagang siya yung very persistent, tumatawag, and insistent na ito. Nag-gather siya, ang dami niyang nahanap na classmates, and every time we have to thank our overseas classmates because every time we have a reunion, most of our reunions are sponsored by them. They send a lot of money for prizes, for events. So thank you so much. I'm not sure if naririnig pa tayo. Wala na si Ellen, no? Thank you. But I have to read the names of the classmates who donated. Thank you, Cecil Australia, Annette Luge, Dali Bernardo, Edna Regulto, Sunny Ong Leo, Simple Rojas, Joe Banag, Cecil Calderon, Ophel Postigo, Yvette Reyes, Ana Brosas, Edith Clemente, Victoria Javier, Cheng Del Rosario, Nea Roque, Leia Yoshisaki, Jenny Mananis from here, Ronald Koluwag, who flew in from Hong Kong pa, and of course, Leia from California, and then Jeff Figueroa. Thank you so much, Leia. We are so grateful for your generosity. Turning 60 is a big milestone, and celebrating it with people we've known since grade school and high school makes it even more meaningful. We've all gone in different directions, lived different lives, but somehow we're all here again, laughing, remembering, and picking up where we left off. Being together like this brings back a lot of familiar faces and shared moments. Some of us see each other often, some of us don't. But tonight gave us the chance to reconnect, catch up, and hear each other's stories. Maingay yata sa There's something special about being in the same room with people who we knew when we were young, awkward, and figuring things out. People who shared the beginnings of the lives we now live. Looking around tonight, it's impossible not to feel a mix of nostalgia and gratitude. We remember the classrooms, the games, the school events, the friendship that started decades ago. And we realize how these experiences shape us in ways we didn't even understand back then. This reunion reminds us that time may pass, but real connections stay. The memories are still there, the friendships still matter, and it's comforting to know that no matter how long it's been, we still share the same history. Ang high school at grade school friends natin, sila yung parang family. Meron kayong friends that you meet in college or in your office, work, professional life, pero iba yung classmates since grade school, high school. Because dito, pwede kayong magpakatotoo, no pretense. Because kilala kayo nung uhugin pa, nung dapain pa, nung wala pang pera, di ba? Lahat ng bumibili pa na pinag-uusapan namin nila last time, bumibili sa labas, umiinom sa fountain na hindi filtered ang water, nakaganyan pa tayo, di ba? Basa ang buhok, bumibili ng ng mga unfiltered water, tapos yung mangga, yung singkamas na may bagoong sa labas. And we were happy then, walang pretense. Kahit hindi nagkikita, iba talaga yung kaibigan mo since birth. It's like our family. So thank you everyone for coming. It's so nice to see everyone. Ang laki na ng number natin. We're supposed to be 60, pero yung iba hindi nakarating. I was able to talk to Avi Caparas, si Arlene Lipana, and when I was talking to her, nare-remember niya, iniisa-isa niya yung classmates, si ganito. Sabi ko, nandyan, punta ka. Kaya lang may sakit, hindi sila nakapunta. So, hindi pa tapos ang program. After this, we can still dance, enjoy the night. But when you go home, please go home safe, drive safely, and take care. And I hope to see you soon, not on our 65th, but probably if we can do this every year, but not this grand probably, even for just small gatherings. Thank you so much, and good night everyone. Enjoy the rest of the night. Happy birthday to us!
Beng, yung last group dance, meron pa ba? May na-prepare ka pa?